let's take a look around this Riley electric scooter. You can give yourself a few extra miles by swapping battery out for a charged one. And it's all about safety. It has multiple brakes, including a disc brake, which is effective in wet and dry conditions, EABS brake, which recharges the battery, and a pedal brake for this extra peace of mind when you need to stop suddenly. You can carry it wherever you go when you're not using it, like when you're jumping on a train or a bus. It folds into a neat little bundle that you can take with you. Let me show you how.